Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create games with Canva template. So games in here means the games or game quiz that you play or that you share with your followers in the social media. So here I'm going to just start by going to the search column in here and type in the keyword games. Click on enter and just wait for the result to show up. So here, as you guys can see, there are 32,000 templates that you can use. So in here you can just choose which one to use. You can use the play this is the roll the dice, this or that, yes or no game, or maybe I'm going to just find the other, guess the word. You can just choose which one. So in here, let's say I'm going to use the mm, guess the word here. So click on the templates to use and click on the customize this template and wait for Canva to open the template that you choose. So in here, this is the game guess the word. So the in this game you will be you'll ask your followers to answer these questions for you. So you can change the question if you want. You can change the picture in this case, and also this answer sheet. And after that, when you're done, you can just download it and then share it to your followers in the social media. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.